Is your plant dying? But you don't know why. The problem might be hidden underground, root rot. And by the time you notice it, it's often too late. In this video, I'll show you 5 hidden signs of root rot before it kills your plant. Root rot is one of the most common reasons indoor plants die. It usually happens over watering and poor drainage. But the scary part is, you don't see it early. Let's catch it before it's too. If your plant's leaves are turning yellow, but the soil is still wet, that's a warning sign. Most people think it needs more water, but actually, the roots are suffocating. Leaves look weak, soft and droopy. Even after watering. That means roots are damaged and can't absorb water. This is a big red flag. If your soil smells like rotten eggs, fungus, bad water, that's root rot bacteria growing inside. Your plant just stopped growing? No new leaves for weeks? That's because roots are no longer healthy. If you check the roots and see black color, soft texture, slimy roots, that is root rot confirmed. Healthy roots should be white and firm. Don't worry, you can still save your plant. Step 1. Remove the plant from the pot. Step 2. Cut all rotten roots. Use clean scissors. Step 3. Wash roots gently. Step 4. Repot in fresh, well-draining soil. Step 5. Reduce watering. Always use drainage holes. Never overwater. Use fast-draining soil mix. Check soil before watering. If you found this helpful, like the video. Subscribe for more plant care tips.